The temperature is stable, initiating transfer sequence.
Acknowledged. Valve open.
Flow rate looks good. Temperature is stable. Confirming final volume. The intake is steady.
Checking the temperature now.
Collecting the sample.
The flow rates are stable. Monitoring the sensor readings for the blend. We're ready for pasteurization.
The centrifugal separator is functioning at peak efficiency. Prepare the standardization valves for blending. Flow rate steady, temperature at 75 degrees. Pasteurization is complete. Copy that. Preparing the homogenizer. Initiate filling sequence. Monitoring pressure levels. Flow is steady and synchronized. Pallet 12, confirmed.
Pallet secure. Doors closing.
Ready for departure. The journey to the shelf continues as the fresh milk arrives at the shipping dock. Advanced technology ensures inventory registered. Retrieve shipping order 458.
Confirmed. Retrieving pallet.
The truck's here. Let's get these doors open.
Inventory confirmed. Move the first pallet to aisle 5.
Pallet verified. Position 2. 2. Let's get it loaded. Watch the clearance. Clear. Bring it in. Doors closing. Keep backing up. Slowly. Copy that. Pallet 1 scanned. Good to go.
Welcome. That'll be $8.50. Thank you. I'll pay with the card.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Mom.
This is delicious. Don't forget your milk. Good morning.
This milk is so fresh.
It's delicious.
From our farm to your table. Pure, safe, and nutritious.
The perfect homogenization creates a rich, creamy texture, visible at the microscopic level.
The flow rates are stable.
Adjusting the temperature settings now.
Monitor the robotic arm calibration on line 3.
The transition is complete. The automated dairy production line is now fully operational. Observe the component replaced. Looks good.
Looks good.
Confirmed. System check complete. The drone enters the state-of-the-art facility.
Systems are synchronized across all production lines.
Monitoring fluid dynamics in Section 3. Pallet 12-7 ready for loading.
Confirmed. Temperature check complete.
Initiating secure seal. The heart of the distribution hub, operating at 4 degrees Celsius. We handle 50,000 pallets a day.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
It's milk day.
Rich in essential nutrients, fresh milk provides protein, calcium, and vitamins that support a healthy lifestyle.
Balanced nutrition and quality dairy help support active lives through every stage of life.
Modern dairy farms combine innovation and sustainability to produce fresh milk while caring for the environment. Continuous innovation and scientific research ensure every bottle meets the highest standards of safety and quality. From healthy cows to families around the world, every bottle of milk represents dedication, technology, quality, and care.
Fresh milk supports balanced nutrition for millions of children every day.
Responsible recycling helps reduce waste and supports a more sustainable future for dairy packaging. Advanced recycling technologies help create new packaging while conserving valuable resources. Continuous monitoring and innovation ensure every production cycle becomes safer, smarter, and more efficient. Every bottle reflects a complete journey of care, technology, sustainability, and dedication, from farm to table and beyond.
Healthy cows receive daily care, balanced nutrition, and comfortable living conditions to produce high-quality milk.
Excellent vitals today.
Healthy herd.
Monitoring collar shows perfect data.
Precision feeding ensures every cow receives the nutrition needed for optimal health and milk production. With every new sunrise, the journey begins again, bringing fresh, safe, and nutritious milk to millions of families around the world. Smart technology allows farmers to monitor every stage of dairy production with remarkable precision.
Fresh milk can be transformed into a variety of nutritious dairy products, beginning with cheese.
Separated cream is carefully churned into smooth, premium quality butter using precision automation. Carefully selected cultures transform fresh milk into smooth, creamy yogurt packed with beneficial bacteria. Advanced spray drying technology transforms fresh milk into long-lasting milk powder.
Preserving essential nutrients.
From a single source of fresh milk comes an entire family of nutritious dairy products enjoyed around the world.
The robotic sample handler is ready to process the new batch.
Good. Let's start the texture analysis immediately.
Excellent to meet you. Likewise, this is a very impressive presentation. Thank you. We believe in transparency.
Trusted, pure, and safe. From our farm to your table.
The fresh milk is bottled and processed here.
How do the robots know when to milk?
Sustainable practices are key to our operation.
The somatic cell count on Sector 4 is down by 20% this quarter.
The robotic feeders have significantly improved udder health.
The traceability system provides real-time data from cow to consumer, ensuring total transparency and high-quality logistics.
To tradition and family.
Cheers.
The enduring journey of every drop. Innovation and care.
Every bottle begins with a promise of quality, built on the dedication of hundreds of skilled professionals. Every bottle is inspected automatically to ensure it meets the highest food safety standards. Advanced logistics prepare millions of bottles for safe delivery to communities every single day. A carefully maintained cold chain protects freshness throughout every mile of the journey.
From our farm to your family, every bottle carries a journey of care, innovation, and unwavering commitment to quality.
Every day, millions of people around the world rely on fresh dairy products as part of their daily lives. Modern technology connects every stage of dairy production, ensuring quality from farm to consumer. Quality approved. Behind every bottle stands a dedicated team working together to deliver safe, nutritious dairy products.
Sustainability helps protect natural resources for future generations, while supporting responsible dairy production.
From sunrise to sunrise, the journey of fresh milk continues, powered by nature, perfected by technology, and shared with the world.
Commitment to quality, innovation, and food safety earns recognition built on years of dedication and hard work. The advanced systems exceed expectations. This new design will revolutionize dairy production.
You see the green light? That means the quality check is passed.
Understood.
Now, to start the final production run.
Every new day begins another carefully managed journey, delivering fresh milk with the same commitment to quality.
From nature to every home, every bottle carries a story of care, science, dedication, and trust.
Behind every bottle is a shared commitment to quality, safety, and the people who make it possible.
Every day, thousands of dedicated people work together to bring safe, nutritious dairy products to families around the world.
The journey of fresh milk never truly ends,